Welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host Andrew Spanton. Tuesday. So much of a turnaround Tuesday. Oh my goodness. Tuesday, what a bunch of news we have to tell you today, folks. October the 6th, 2009, 4:34 p.m. Eastern. I thought we were going to have a big turnaround Tuesday in the stock market. Boy, was I wrong. Dollar index looks terrible. As much as I want to say this is it, we reversed. No reversal, although I like the wick here. Could be a fake out, but lots of stuff to talk about. First of all, obviously Australia, unbelievable move. Hopefully you folks got my Twitter. Remember, twitter.com/voice of Forex, twitter.com/GFX premium. Don't ask to sign up for that one because that's only for premium. But, man, once they raised rates, that Aussie was acting terrible. Once they raised rates, bang. Could have gotten long the Aussie across the board. I even made 50 pips in pound Aussie. I can't believe it. And then, of course, house price index out of London coming out at 4 in the morning, amazing. And then, of course, a disaster in manufacturing. So a complete reversal in the pound once again today. And we had Japanese basically coming out. They're going to small business. They're going to basically bankrupt the country now to inject more money into the system. Secret meetings regarding oil being non-priced in dollars now. I mean, so much stuff. Guns, guns, guns. Holy cow. Can't take it. Bottom line, the dollar now is the new carry trade. When I refer to the carry trade, I'm not even going to refer to the yen because it's obvious there's no more carry trade in the yen. We are in a new normal, people. It's over. It's absolutely over. I was long pound yen. Last night I booked 100 pips on that Twitter. We did get long at the bottom, and went long Aussie yen ahead of the news. That was great, but, I mean, S&Ps were up 13 handles. I'm buying pound yen down 150 pips. Dollar yen melts down on me. I mean, what the hell is going on? I'll tell you. The dollar is the new carry trade, period. It's our new normal. It is what it is. Deal with it and adjust. So enough of my rant. So much stuff going on. Obviously, no U.S. numbers. Canada knocked the cover off the ball in their numbers. So the dollar index, again, it's under 76.50. How can we be long this thing? It broke support. It looks terrible. I don't see any support for this thing now. This thing looks like it's going to go lower. Under 76, I don't see how you could possibly try and be long. Stock market closed strong. Let's take a look at gold to the moon. To the moon, Alice. Unbelievable. I'd be shocked if we don't reverse. Gold maybe goes up another $10 and then reverses down to 1031. That was the breakout. Crude. Couldn't get through. Tried to punch on through. Failed. Again, held up at that channel line, but it did take it out. And just like the S&P, so I'm a little nervous. Listen, they took out these channel lines, reversed below it, and certainly doesn't look very good in my opinion. The S&P is also reversed. I still think they're short. But, listen, we did take out this channel line resistance at was it 1055? Only by 2 handles, but still. Got to be nervous. I can't believe we held this freaking support level. And I think we roll back over. I don't think we're going to take out 1060, but we might make a run. I think the future's going to be negative. I don't think they're going to be. I think, if anything, just as we predicted yesterday, if anything, futures will be down, and then they rally them to up and then down. It's a mixed day or something like that. But I don't think the future's going to gap up tomorrow. I really doubt that. All right, euro dollar. It was looking a lot weaker. I'm glad I'm doing this at 4:38 p.m. Eastern because, it looks a lot different now. It was trading at 05. It was looking a lot different, a little bit lower. I don't like this wick, though. Certainly weaker. Certainly looks a little weaker. But, again, it took out major levels. Listen, I'm dying to be short. But how can you be short this? It took out the 61.8% retracement of this whole move. This thing now might be going, gone. Like the wind. This whole dollar momentum move, who the hell knows what's going to happen? What the hell I did? What I do? Oh, there we go. We could be talking 140, 150 now. And this could be it. Gone. Like the wind. But, again, if you believe the stock market's going up tomorrow and we're going to explode to new highs, then you want to be short the dollar. Period. I don't think it's going to happen. Dollar yen, with this whole news last night, they're going to break the bank to try and save the country. This thing looks terrible. And like I said before, if you're listening to Global FX Radio or getting my twits or whatever, as I said, that comment by Fuji, I think that's how you pronounce it. Someone could send me an email on that. That he would intervene in the currency markets, that was a joke. That was a joke. Because as we know, the market's going to test him in his word. So now we know he's going to intervene, but at what level? He didn't answer that question at the press conference. They're going to drill it. And this good news, this market's perceiving this news as good news regarding the more stimulus for small businesses, for giving banks. I mean, moratorium on debt payments. I mean, this is crazy. But it's happening. Deal with it. Looking at the sterling dollar, the weakest looking chart on the board, except for New Zealand. We'll get to that in a second. But again, outside day took out the highs, took out the lows. Closing terrible. Love it. Love sterling as a short. Any rallies, you got to be short this thing. I think we probably come in. I think we get continuation. 58.20. Channel line support maybe. Dollar Swiss looks just like the dollar index. Exact mirror image. Go lower, I guess. Aussie dollar, again, it's probably going to make at least a double top. It's going to make another run for today's highs. Closing above this channel line resistance, this thing still looks pretty damn good. But again, it's really over. This is overbought. I mean, this thing now has gone up from 85.70 to 89 in 3 days. It's got to calm down. They're not raising rates more. That was just a one-off deal, in my opinion. And again, cable under 88.80 is a dead short, in my humble opinion. Dollar Canada. I'm doing the dollar because that's our new carry trade. I don't even know why I'm doing the yens anymore. Broke through, came back nicely. Dennis Gardman added to his position at 106. Good job, Dennis. I think we probably rally. Unless we take out today's lows, dollar Canada to me is long, even though, again, those numbers were unbelievable today. Canadian Ivy, wow. Wow. New Zealand, to me, this looks amazing. This is a short. You want to be short something? Short the Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi looks awesome. Aussie Kiwi's got to be a buy. But New Zealand looks a little heavy. Maybe we get a double top. Maybe we even take out the highs. We get something like, we get to 74. I think you got to be all in. I think it stalls. But I do believe Aussie's probably going to make a run for the roses. A run for the roses. Euro sterling, again, with the bad numbers coming out of London. London deteriorating once again. Euro sterling looks like it's going. Gone. Look at this daily chart. I can't even. Oh, this is 6 months. Damn it. So again, this might be, we might be just heading right towards 95 now, at least right below it. I'll tell you, measure the move too. 200 pips, bang, 95. All right, I'll give it to you. I mean, Euro yen looks terrible. Death. Nice little stall, Euro yen. Couldn't make it through. Couldn't bust on through. I mean, this Euro yen looks terrible. Cannot rally through the 10 EMA. Got to be short this baby. These things look horrible. Sterling yen looks like death. Shooting star, bearish engulfing, broke through major channel line support. Look at this. Looks just like dollar yen. Sterling yen looks terrible. Any rally, sterling yen is toast. Toast. Got to be short that baby. Dollar yen's going to make a run lower. And this Aussie yen, again, getting awfully close to my channel line here. How about that Euro Canada today? So any rally, we get up to this whole 79.50 zone, 40 zone. I think, 3-day move, bang, bang, bang. At some point, this yen's rallying, which is going to, Aussie's rallying, which is going to overcome it. I think it's time. Absolutely love it. Loonie yen, another one. Little doji, that one failed also. That looks great as a short. Dollar yen's the key. Dollar yen, I think, really comes in nicely tonight in Asia, I would imagine. But pound Aussie, obviously we want to do that one. Again, it's coming to a close any day now. Hey, I was shorted today. I actually made money on the short side. I kid you not. 50 bips. Lucky me. I'm long it right now. I think it may have bottomed. Don't you want to throw up? All right, on this note, Andrew Spanton, info at globalfxradio.com. The only voice you'll ever need in Forex that loves to make you money. Have a good night.